Never trust a parrot that talks after midnight. After that night, I tried ignoring the parrot, but every night it stared at me from its cage, whispering my name. Jason, Jason. Last night, it mimicked my dead father's voice, exactly how he used to say it. Come here, son. I froze. 3 a.m. The parrot opened its own cage, walked to my door, scratched twice, then said, "He's here." I opened the door. No one, but cold air blew past me. And the parrot, it laughed just like me. I ran to the mirror. My reflection wasn't moving. It just smiled, like it had been waiting. Like and follow before your pet learns your secrets.